Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Marketing Tool Shed. All right, so listen, not going to be before you long. Hopefully this video is not going to at least be 5 minutes. If this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm always showing you these different tools, different things you can do in these tools, getting different ideas from the things that I share with you. All right, so again, we've been talking about Ezycourse for a little while now. There's going to be some other tools I'll be talking about, but I'm on this tool for a reason. I think there's so many different ways, so many different things you can do. Now, they do have a white label app that you can have, a phone app, whether it's in the iOS or it's in the Android family. You can have one of those. And they have this thing called push notifications, right? I think this is great. So what happens is in the marketing context, you come here, you click on push notifications. And then what you can do is I'm just going to show you how it looks. So what you do is you just put the title of the push notification, and then here you use the drop down and select which people do you want to push the content out to. So for example, if I go here and says, hey, new spring classes now starting, right? Then I select the audience, right? It's sent it to all students or specific students or students who didn't log in for the last 3 days or whatever. But these are going to be students who have access to your app, your phone app, and have registered and signed up. So what you do is you say, hey, and then you put what the note is, hey, please sign up for new classes. Then you put limited slots available, right? And you put that there, and then you may want to put the dates, 9/12, 9/12/2023, and then you might want to go 10/1 or something like that. Just giving you an example. So what you do after that is this is your dashboard in the back. And then what you do is you send notification, right? You send notification. So what happens is I'm going to show you this notification because I already have the screenshots for it. I'm going to show you this notification, right? I'm going to show you this notification. These are my testing. I was just trying to get it right. But this was the notification that I sent earlier. I'm going to show you screenshots from that it showed up in my phone app. And this is one that just showed up as soon as I pressed start send notification. My phone just dinged and went off. So I'm not going to show you that one because I don't have the film for that one. But I will show you the one that I created. Actually, you know what? I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to do the screen copy. I'm going to show you the one that just showed up. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at that and see how it looks on the other side. All right, as you can see, I was able to do the screen capture, send it over here to my computer, but this is what showed up in my phone right here. This showed up on my phone. It dinged, my phone dinged. I had alert set up, and it dinged in my phone. Now, what happened is when I went inside the app, this is what the announcements was inside the app. So if you notice, there is two here, right? There's one right there, and then there's two right there. Those are the same notifications that I did earlier today, right? And that's what I wanted to show you. This was the one that I did earlier, right here. And it was delivered. And then this is the second one that I did. And you can see there. So one was for 9/12/2023, and one was for August 1st. Let's go take a look at that. Those are the ones that I did. That was the one I sent earlier for the next live teen boot camp, right? I did that 8 hours ago, and I just did that one a minute ago. And you can see that there. I did that 8 hours ago. It was when I sent that one for the next teen live boot camp. And then the spring class is starting soon. Right. And so just wanted to show you, wanted to walk that through, didn't want to spend a whole lot of time. I just wanted to show you how the notifications are working, and they can be quite effective if you're wanting to let people know about an announcement or a new class release. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the small, mini series that I'm putting out, and like to comment below. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see me do. I got 2 more different tools I'm going to be talking about here in the upcoming future. I'm always going to talk about Ezycourse because I think it's just so powerful of a tool. And then I got a couple more tools I'm going to be talking about. We have a lot more lined up. Hey, you guys take care. Be safe out there. Till next time. Goodbye for now.